Imagine a world where your salary streams directly into your wallet, not just once a month, but in real time, every second. That's the vision behind Zebec Network, powered by the ZBCN token. In 2025, ZBCN is quietly flying under the radar. But is it the next big altcoin play? In today's video, let's dive deep into why ZBCN could be much more than just another token. If you're thinking of investing, don't skip this. 1. What is ZBCN, Zebec Network? Overview of Zebec Network is a blockchain designed for real-time payments, payroll, subscriptions, and streaming payments, not just lump sums. It's built especially for programmable finance. Think on-chain payroll, DAOs paying team members in real time, and other money flows like code, use cases, token details, and tokenomics. The native token is ZBCN. According to CoinMarketCap, the maximum supply is 100 billion ZBCN, and circulating supply is very high as well. From the Zebec BTCC documentation, allocation breakdown, community and rewards, 50%, contributors, 20%, private plus seed plus public sale plus market making, etc. There was a rebrand migration from older ZBC token to ZBCN with a split 1 to 10. Vesting schedule. Some tokens locked, some long-term vesting, team, contributors, which is important for long-term holders. Utility of ZBCN governance. ZBCN holders can participate in decisions. Gas/transaction fees, used within the Zebec network for payments. Staking, rewards could be staked. Community members talk about locking up tokens to earn rewards. Real-world use case. Zebec's vision is not just DeFi, it's real-world payroll and payments on-chain. 2. Current state, 2025. Strengths and risks, current market metrics. As of now, ZBCN's price, per CoinMarketCap, is around $0.0031. Market cap is in the hundreds of millions. It has seen a wide trading range. High volatility is normal. Adoption and growth drivers. Real-time finance trend. As companies look for more efficient payroll and cash management, Zebec's model becomes more relevant. Partnerships. There's talk in some analyses of Zebec expanding through partnerships. Real-world adoption could drive demand. DeFi expansion. If Zebec's ecosystem, payroll, DAOs, streaming payments, grows, ZBCN's use case strengthens. Tokenomics. Risk. Very high supply. With 100 billion tokens, even modest price growth needs strong demand. Vesting. Large allocations to community, contributors, invested pools. Token unlocks could lead to sell pressure, fake token risk. Some users report fake ZBCN tokens, scams, dusting attacks. Technical risk and sentiment. According to some technical analyses, MACD, RSI, there might be bearish momentum in the short-term community and sentiment. Strong conviction among some holders. We held 0.0034 to 0.0036. That's not weakness, that's accumulation, but also risk of being too early. Some are bullish with very high targets. Others warn of volatility. Reports of wallet hacks, Shock and spam, fake ZBCN in CB wallet. Has anyone encountered? 3. Price predictions and scenarios for 2025. Analyst should forecast estimates. Mudrex projects for 2025. Bearish case approximately 0.0015. Bullish case approximately 0.0035 based on ecosystem adoption. Panda Whale, longer term, gives a price prediction up to 0.006363 by 2029, though not strictly 2025. According to some, a near-term risk exists. Recent price drop might go further, range approximately 0.00346 to 0.00477 in short term. Bull case, 2025. Real-world adoption picks up, payroll streaming plus on-chain business payments, more partnerships, deeper integration into Solana/other chains, community accumulation plus staking, reduced circulating supply because people lock tokens. If that happens, ZBCN could hit approximately 0.0035 or more, per some predictions. Bear case. Demand doesn't scale as expected. Excess supply leads to price pressure. Token unlocks. Vesting triggers cause big sell-offs. Competition from other payment-focused blockchains. Regulatory security risks, some users reporting fake tokens, could hurt adoption. 4. Why ZBCN could be underrated, real value. Practical use case. Streaming payroll is not just theoretical. It's a real problem in Web3/DAO. World ZBCN gives Zebec skin in the game. Long-term vision. It's not just a speculative token. If Zebec becomes the infrastructure for on-chain payments, ZBCN's demand may not just be from traders, but from real users, community strength. Dedicated holders are stacking, staking, and seemingly hopeful about Zebec's roadmap. Supply management. Even though the supply is large, if staking plus use case pickup, a good portion may be locked/used, reducing effective circulating supply. Modular finance. Zebec's design allows for not just payments, but integrations, DAOs, subscriptions, treasuries, making ZBCN more than a utility token. 5. Risks and what investors should watch in 2025. Token unlock events, watch vesting schedules. If a big chunk unlocks, price could be under pressure. Adoption metrics. How many teams, DAOs, the businesses are actually using Zebec for payroll? On-chain data plus partnerships matter. Regulatory risk. Payments, payroll, and on-chain money could attract regulatory scrutiny. Competition. Other blockchains/projects might build similar streaming finance products. Security/scams. Be careful of fake tokens, especially on lesser-known wallets or unverified platforms. General crypto volatility, macro conditions, altcoin fervor, and BTC/ETH cycles will affect ZBCN too. 6. Is ZBCN a good bet in 2025? Yes, potentially, for long-term, risk-tolerant investors who believe in Zebec's real-world payments vision. ZBCN's biggest strength is its utility, not just speculation, if Zebec's payroll use case scales. But it's not a guaranteed moonshot. High supply, token unlocks, and adoption risks remain significant. For those entering a DCA dollar cost averaging strategy plus keeping track of Zebec's roadmap plus on-chain adoption would make sense. And importantly, only invest what you can afford to risk. This is still a relatively niche, speculative play with high risk and potentially high reward. So what do you think? Is ZBCN undervalued in 2025, or is the hype too early? Drop your price targets and thoughts in the comments. If you like this breakdown, hit like and subscribe for more crypto deep dives. And don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss out on future videos. As always, this is just educational content. I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research, DYOR, before investing.